Konyari, and this video is about EUOs, or examination under oath, how to handle EUOs as opposed to depositions. So EUOs are done by insurance companies to obtain information about a claim in the form of questions and answers to verify the legitimacy of an insurance claim. The claim can be any type of insurance claim. Most of the time it is related to motor vehicle accidents or work accidents, but it can also be property damage or lost jewelry claim or any other insurance claim. The insurance company retains an attorney to conduct the examination, but the claimant can also retain an attorney to help to process the legal claim. I am using the words claimant or the person under EUO because it can be the insured, the policyholder, or a third party, for example a passenger in the car accident or a driver who is different from the policyholder. EUO is a formal proceeding, that is why attorneys are involved, and also a court reporter, you, to administer the oath and to transcribe the proceeding. Thus all words said will be in a written transcript. The attorney of the insurance company will ask a series of questions, and the person under EUO needs to answer from memory, thus cannot use any document to answer the questions. Because the insurance company wants to know what the person knows, what he experienced, in order to determine the truthfulness and correctness of the claim, whether to accept or deny it. The insurance company has all the documents in front of them, and the person under EUO needs to tell or explain the story behind it, and the insurance company determines how it fits into the claim to accept or deny it. And it is an under oath testimony, which means that lying on the oath or perjury is a federal crime and federally prosecuted. What type of questions they may ask? Residency history, employment history, insurance claim history, and then of course questions related to the matter. The comparison between EUO and deposition in terms of handling it. EUO is a series of questions by an insurance company's attorney related to an insurance claim solely, and only the insurance company asks questions. So the insured person cannot ask questions from the insurance company. On the other hand, a deposition is a legal battle, a fight in court between two parties in litigation to establish their case and discover details. So each party can ask questions and request documents from the other. Therefore, the caption reads, for example, in an EUO, John Smith and insurance company. In deposition, John Smith versus insurance company. So what kind of objections can be made in an EUO? The person under EUO may not raise objections to certain questions, like in a deposition. It is why it is important for the person under EUO to be well prepared to avoid the claim being denied, because it is a one-way questioning. The deposition is a two-way system. How long can it last? Just like a deposition, it could take a few hours, depending on the complexity of the insurance claim, or even a full day. Where does the EUO take place? Recently, remote EUOs are very popular, for example via video conferencing, as opposed to an in-person session, because of its convenience. In summary, for court reporters, to capture the verbatim of the procedure are basically the same for both, but the purpose and use of that transcript are different. So how do you handle the EUO? The same way as a deposition, but it has a different purpose and is used differently. And that has to be clear in the transcript. So at the end, when the transcript is done, it is sent to the insurance company, and they send it to the person or his attorney, who can review and correct any errors and sign it before a notary, and then return it back to the insurance company to process the insurance claim. If you need more information, the rules of remote proceedings are outlined by AAERT, and this is the governing body for electronic reporters and transcribers, also called digital court reporters. They regulate how remote court reporting has to be conducted and certify reporters and transcribers with designation CER and or CET, just like stenographic reporters are certified by NCRA. So two different bodies certify and regulate the procedures, remote versus in-person, and in-person can also be done digitally, called hybrid. So this was a video about EUOs, what is the difference or similarities to depositions. And thank you for your interest. Have a successful day. Bye now.